First ever entire AI channel creation automation suite. AI creates and ranks unique faceless AI video channels on YouTube and TikTok automatically. Let new technology build entire unique, congruent faceless channels 100% for you with AI SEO optimization and smart scheduling. AI unique story scripts. Generate engaging scripts that grab attention in any niche. Leverage templates or built-in prompt engineering if desired. Easy timeline editor. Edit your video in a few easy clicks. Swap out scenes or individual frames, add effects, splice clips, adjust transitions, and more. AI human voiceovers. Ultra-realistic AI voices perfect for narrate your story videos with a variety of ages, ethnicities, and styles. Video channel themes. Set up entire automated themes for your faceless videos and channels like horror, adventure, history, etc. AI art styles. Create videos in a specific style like Disney Toon, photorealism, anime, and many more. Automatic scheduling and posting. Automatically schedule and post faceless videos to your YouTube and TikTok channels while you sleep. AI SEO optimization. Auto-rank your videos by leveraging long-tail keywords, description optimization, trending hashtags, and more. 3-in-1 suite. 2 AI faceless video channel builder apps plus easy-to-follow success training. And more. Choose a channel theme. Pick a ready-made theme like motivational, horror, or kids stories, or let AI craft your unique idea into a story. Add AI human narrators and art styles. Select ultra-realistic narrators and choose an AI art style like realism, Pixar, anime, or fairytale. Auto-rank and auto-schedule. Auto-schedule the videos to post and have AI SEO suite auto-rank your videos, generate high CTR thumbnails, find trending hashtags, and more. Faceless video channels are the gold rush of the decade. You probably already know faceless AI video channels are the easiest business model to get started with and simplest way to drive targeted traffic for free today. Plus, because AI can produce videos better than most humans soon, the businesses that leverage it in mass will win content marketing this year and beyond, dominating old school channels. Or, run first ever faceless AI agencies selling mass AI ads and VSL creation. New marketers are using faceless AI channels to pull in tons of agency clients in different niches without showing your face. Then, creating and selling huge bundles of congruent video ads and VSLs for split testing in the time it takes competitors to make 1 to 2 old school video ads. And even with AI video tools, many still struggle to get traction. Multiple AI tools are required to create just one great video. Need to create and post each video one by one, no mass automation. Most AI voiceover technology sounds robotic still. Credits or monthly fees are associated with AI video creation apps. Most AI makers produce lackluster results, buggy, generic ChatGPT script, boring visuals, no themes or styles, etc. No drag/drop timeline editing customization of the video to get it how you want. No AI SEO automation to rank the videos. Let AI create and rank 100% unique faceless congruent videos channels with detailed customization or mass automation ability. Hey, it's 8-figure AI expert Ben Murray with 3x time product hunt winning video developers Atlas Web Solutions. Not only did we need a tool to tap into the faceless cash cow video channel revolution ourselves, but to future-proof our marketing, since the future of content marketing is 100% faceless video. After all, it's far easier to produce videos and traffic channels in mass when you're not recording, editing, writing, ranking, and shooting yourself. Because there are no AI video solutions that can automate entire video channels congruently 100% automatically, we had no choice but to create an incredible faceless channel creation, ranking, and automation solution ourselves. Then, something crazy happened. After showcasing our invention to 8-figure AI entrepreneur Abid Vivedi, he revealed he also created another faceless AI builder and channel ranker that just so happened to have complementary features to ours. He was rushing to bring it to the market because he felt this was the #1 opportunity to break through in marketing this year, too. So, the three of us decided to combine forces and deliver the ultimate faceless AI channel creation and ranking suite, complete with multiple AI faceless apps and in-depth training with everything in one place to massively guarantee ourselves and our clients' success. The ultimate 3-in-1 AI faceless channel creation, automation, ranking, and training solution. Inside you'll get: first, you're getting Magicflix AI, which is more than just an AI video maker. It's the first entire AI congruent, unique channel creator and ranker. Now you can automate entire video channels with distinct styles and brands for perpetual traffic and authority. Get everything you need under one roof to create hundreds of AI video traffic channels. There's AI story script writing, AI human voiceovers, AI visuals, timeline editing, auto AI scheduling, AI SEO optimization, auto AI posting, and more in one. Magicflix AI is super easy to use. 01. Choose your video theme. Choose to create a video from manual mode with more customization or automatic mode with auto video creation and posting. If automatic mode, choose from a variety of ready-made faceless video themes including motivational, scary, children's stories, facts, history, and more. Or if manual mode, add your own idea and our AI will craft it into an ultra-engaging story script. 02. Add AI narrators, AI art styles, and more. Pick from ultra-human sounding narrators for your video with background theme music. Choose an engaging AI art style for your video from options like realism, Disney Pixar, kids fairytale, anime, and more. 03. Customize your video, if needed. Magicflix AI will get to work creating your AI video for you. If needed, edit the AI script and use the drag and drop timeline editor to make any change you want to the video. Add, edit, or cut frames, scenes, effects, clips, or transitions in seconds. Plus, insert unique AI images, image clips, and more into the video anywhere you want. Use AI to create them, add your own, or tap into a huge library. 04. Auto schedule and fully automate. Then, using the built-in content calendar, Magicflix AI will post your videos according to a schedule, growing your channel for you on autopilot. Create entire series of videos in one niche and watch the AI create the videos, schedule them, and post them while you relax. 04. Bonus step, auto-optimize and rank your videos and channels. Make sure your channel outranks competing channels by leveraging CoAI auto-optimization. The AI optimization wizard will find fresh topics ready to go viral, discover the best long-tail keywords to rank for, optimize your video title and description, find hot hashtags, and even generate viral video thumbnails. This is the first tool where you control how much AI does. Full automation mode. Let Magicflix AI create and post an entire video channel series for you 100% hands-free. Manual mode. Have full control over the script, voiceovers, video editing, scheduling, and more. Magicflix AI made these videos in a few minutes. Scary short story, realistic style. Philosophy video, anime style. Kids bedtime story, fairytale style. Helpful tips, anime style. History facts, anime style. Daily quote video, realism style. Make videos 15 seconds to multiple minutes long with thousands combinations of different styles and themes. Some unique features no other app has include. Leverage full customization or automatic mode. Everything is here to create entire faceless video channels by hand or automatically. Use manual mode to tweak every video component exactly as you wish, from voiceovers to effects. Or let Magicflix AI take care of it all, creating, scheduling, and posting videos automatically from a single channel theme. AI Unique Story Script Writing. Generate captivating scripts in any niche, whether it's horror stories, business success, motivational content, or children's tales. The AI script writer creates scripts that hook viewers from the very first line. AI prompt writing technology. Have an idea for a unique story or video? Leverage the built-in prompt technology and our AI will craft it into a masterful video script that will get views and clicks. Ultra-realistic AI voiceovers. Choose from a wide range of ultra-realistic voices to narrate your stories, including different ages, ethnicities, and styles to suit every mood and video genre. Plus, add background music purposely created for different AI video story styles like bedtime, scary, motivational, and more. Video channel themes and series. Create specific videos or entire automated series of videos around specific built-in themes for your faceless channels. Pick from engaging DIY faceless channel themes like AI art themes and styles. Choose to create videos in a specific art style so the video and channel feel more cohesive and professional. Choose from tons of AI art styles like Easy Timeline Editor. Edit videos with complete drag and drop ease. Add, edit, or cut frames, scenes, effects, clips, or transitions in seconds, making the video exactly how you want if desired. Add custom AI images. Generate eye-catching AI images and add video clips anywhere in your videos if desired. Leverage detailed prompting for customized, congruent AI image styles, characters, products, and more so everything is exactly how you need. Gigantic stock video and image asset library. Tap into a gigantic image library and video library, add any non-AI images or videos to your creation if desired. Automatic scheduling and posting. Magicflix AI schedules and posts your faceless videos for you, helping you grow your channels daily and effortlessly. Leverage a built-in content calendar to keep track of all your videos and when they are going to be posted. Create videos for any need and any network. Magicflix AI creates any type of faceless video you want for any need, including story videos, ads, VSLs, content marketing, product promotion, and more. Create videos in dimensions suitable for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and more. Get viral video content ideas. Let AI find tons of engaging video ideas based on a keyword, phrase, or URL you enter. Never run out of winning videos to make for your channel, and organize ideas by viral, engaging, trending, evergreen, and more. Rank for untapped long-tail keywords. Keep all your videos, channels, API keys, and more organized by channel or client with series technology. Optimize titles for higher CTRS. Enter a sentence or previous video title and get suggestions on how to optimize it for higher rankings and far more clicks. Get better title suggestions along with explanations on how these particular titles will outrank the competition.